Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're continuing the build on the Porsche 911. I'm super excited about this. Pretty much this is the fun part where you get to put everything together and see all your hard work all put together, and you hopefully go for a test drive and enjoy the car. You know, like it's so much fun to build these cars, but pretty much putting them together, that's the finale. That's the fun part for me. You know, especially after you paint it and you have it in like 100 pieces and you put it all together, you're like, how did it all fit? But it fit. So pretty much what today is, we're gonna try to get this whole rear end put together, then the front end, we're gonna clean it, detail it, and then maybe check the alignment on it, check all the little stuff on it, and go for a test drive. So I mean, I think we should be able to knock that all out. So let's get straight to work and get this rear end put together. All right, so we got the front bumper assembled for the most part. Next, let's try to put it back on. We repainted these guys, pretty much got rid of all that red paint. We fixed them up a little bit so they're looking good. So let's try to put this bumper on and see how it looks.
All right, guys, working on the Porsche, final details. Got our center caps. Gonna get that on real quick. Also working on our emblem. Let's get that put on. See what it looks like. Looking good. Nice. Way better than before. All right, guys, so there we go. We got our side markers installed. A little dirt right there, no big deal, but we got these off eBay and they plugged right in. Pretty nice. Pretty sweet, honestly. I like it. It turned out pretty clean. Yeah, moving on to the bumper. Like I said, the eyelets look pretty sweet on it as well. Didn't turn out too bad, honestly. Yeah, it has a lot of high miles on there, but overall, looking pretty good. Happy with the paint job. Sweet little Porsche. So we still need an emblem over there. Interior, honestly, is pretty rough shape, I would say still. We cleaned it up as much as we could, but still, overall, it's definitely worn out. I've seen better, and I've seen worse, but I've seen better. I mean, it is pretty sweet. Doesn't have navigation, all that good stuff. AC is working on it, but this cup holder does not want to stay. Probably like a little clip or something. It just keeps popping off. But yeah, like I said, I need an emblem right there, and our windshield is unfortunately cracked right there as well, so that needs to be replaced. But I don't know, guys, what the plan is with this one. Might just drive around for a little bit and sell it, and might just sell it as is. Honestly, we have so many projects going on, it's kind of hard to finish all these little things like I was mentioning before, so might just let it go. Somebody could have a nice, cool little project car they could work on and have fun with. But yeah, it's looking good. I am surprised it has back seats. I mean, barely has any back seats, but they're there, you know, so I guess you could technically have 4 people riding in this Porsche. Wow. All right, guys, we got our little caps on, our emblem on, looking really good. Ready for a test drive. Let's go hit the road and see what it does. All right, guys, we didn't go far. We just stayed local, but it did good. It drives. Obviously, it's not 100% yet. There's a couple things that we still need to work on it, but I think that's all we're gonna do for, you know, capturing the Porsche. We may fix it, we may just sell it as is. Just so many projects going on, you can't tackle everything, and those little details definitely take time, especially for this 911. It's hard to find the specific parts, so it's gonna be a while before we can find all the little things. It took a while just to get the emblems and the center caps, we waited a bit, so it's like, man, what are you gonna do? But overall, I think it turned out really clean, not too bad at all. It wasn't too long, except for just waiting for those little parts. That's basically what takes the most amount of time out of us, but I think it looks good. Let us know, guys, if you like this kind of build, if we should get another Porsche, newer, older. Yeah, we're open to your comments. We love reading your feedback and what you guys write about it. But that's all the time we have for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you next time.